4, 6, 8, and 7 in this order. And when you skip count to get your answers, when you do the row first and then the column, it doesn't matter if you do the row or the column first as long as you do both of them. Okay? Rows left to right, column up, down. 0 times any number is what? 0. So let's do the zeros. Let's do the rows. Come on. And then we're going to do the column straight down. See how long this takes as I'm just guiding you through it. And don't press down hard on your pencil. Let your pencil glide across the paper. When you press down hard, it's going to hurt your hands. 1 times any number is that number. Okay, so 1 times 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to do the column. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just that quick, we have this many already filled in. Now we're going to go to number 2. We're going to skip count. Now, if you don't have your twos memorized, which some people may or may not, you can always do 2 taps, just like this. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Now we're going to do our columns, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You already have written it here, so just rewrite it. You don't have to think, you can just rewrite it. I mean, I want you thinking, but you don't have to because you've already written it here. Look how much has already gotten filled out. Now we're going to do our threes. Here's your 2 strategies for the threes. You can tap 3 times, or you can do 3 tick marks. So we'll do taps and ticks. So here's the taps, 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 16, 17, 18, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. You see how that goes? 28, 29, 30. You want to get the rhythm. Now here is the tick marks. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. You see, you can either do taps or tick marks. Now we're going to skip the 4s. We're going to do our 5s because we know the 5 songs, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, okay? And then we're going to do our rows going across. Don't worry about the 4s. They will fill themselves in naturally, 45, 50. Here's our other 5s, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Next number is the 10s, which are easy, 0, 10. We're going to do the columns, then we'll do the rows. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And then we're going to go ahead and do the rows. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Look at how much has already gotten filled in. And we haven't even got to the harder numbers. Now the 9s, remember there's a pattern. If you look over here, 0, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you can do it like that, or just also know that when the 10s place goes up, the 1s place goes down. So that's 27, 36. This goes up to 4, that goes down to 5. 54, and then there's 63. So when this number goes up, this number goes down, 72. When the 10s place goes up, the 1s place goes down. And here's another way of looking at it to check your work. Look in the 1s place only, 0, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. There's a pattern all the way. And then going up to check it on the 10s place, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's an imaginary 0. The last thing to remind you about the 9s is that any number, any of the digits adding together will always add up to 9. 1 plus 8 is 9, 2 plus 7 is 9, 3 plus 6 is 9, 4 plus 5 is 9, and so on. Now we're going to go ahead and do the rows with the 9s. We already know 10s go up, 1s go down. 10s go up, the 1s place goes down. 54, 63, 72, 81. Look how much is left. And now we're going to jump back and we're going to go ahead and do the 4s. Just like I showed you the strategy for doing the tapping, you can do 2 sets of 4s to keep up with your numbers. So it's 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay? So if you go down to 20, you can go with your tap 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I'll do tick marks 25, 26, 27, 28. And I want you to do 2 and 2 so you don't get mixed up. 29, 30, 31, 32, And guess what we get to do? We've already written them down. We can just fill in what was left. So you just got to stay organized. So here's the 2020, there's the 24. Here's the 28 goes there. Here's the 32 goes there. We only have how many left? How many left do we have? 9. And we haven't even got to the harder numbers because we naturally counted everything. So now we're done with the 4s. We're going to do the 6s. So let's just do the 6s going this way, just like the taps and the ticks. I think I would probably suggest doing the tick marks for the 6s. So you got 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. If you do this, you will stay organized and you won't end up writing the wrong number. 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. And now you've already written it down in your rows, so now we're going to do the columns. All we're going to write down is what 2 numbers? What 2 numbers? Under 36. You see we have 36 going this way, and then we got 36 going that way. What goes under 36? 42, and then what? 48, because that's where I got it from. How many are left? How many we have left? 4. So we've done the 6s, and now we're going to do the 8s. So we're going to do 48. We can do the 4s as well. 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. I'd rather you do that if you don't have them memorized. So this will be 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. And we already wrote 56 right here after 48, so we can write 56 right here because we've already skip counted. And the very last number is 7 times 7, which is what? 49. And we're done. And that was done by me talking it through with you under 7 minutes. So y'all should be able to do this on your own under 5 minutes. Because I talked you through, and this will be on the YouTube, on my YouTube page.